Alright, fellow peeps, today we are going to cook some beer butt chicken. Nah, some beer can chicken. I have these two whole chickens that I'm going to wash off. It's not really necessary to do, but you spill the damn garbage. Ah! Alright folks, take two. Today we are going to make some beer can chicken, beer butt chicken, whatever you want. I'm going to wash off my chicken. You don't really have to, but I don't know. Sometimes you'll get a feather or two or skin stuck on there still. You unwrap like so. Just like this. Look at that. And your chicken, sometimes when you stick your hand in there, you get all the neck, the gizzards, the liver, the heart, shit like that. And you want to get that stuff out. But anyways, folks, that's what you do with that. I'm going to take the butt of the chicken, cut that piece off like that. Sometimes they all don't have them, sometimes they do, but I cut it off. It's important to cut that piece off. You'll see why later. But anyways, I'm going to give my chicken a good wash over with some cold water. Get all any of that nasty shit that might be in there out. Get my bowl over here for that one. My bowl over here for this one. These are about 10 pounds total weight. But that's how you wash them. I'm gonna be back in a second, folks. Hello, my name's Mr. Chicken. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, folks, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw the chicken back in the sink, like this. I'm gonna take some garlic salt, powder, whatever you decide to use. I'm gonna get a bunch of shakes like this. In your sink because it's less mess. Some Tony's crackeries. And I want to rub that real good like that. In around the chicken. This is fun. Like that. Get a good rub on it, you know. Like that. And then I'm going to come over here and let these sit like this for a couple hours. Let that seasoning kind of, choke you. And just clean my sink. And once I'm ready to prep it for the grill, I'll show y'all more of that in a little bit. But that's how you start off your beer can chicken. At least I do. Beer butt chicken, beer can chicken, asshole on a beer, beer in an asshole. However you want to look at it for some of you kinky fellas out there. And women. And ma'ams. Alright folks, be back later. Alright fellow peeps, as I'm outside preparing my grill, we are going to use some of this wood to make my coals today. Maybe a little charcoal to get it started good. Yeah, here's my grill, here's when it's covered, and we're going to go from there. Bottle rockets. Oh yeah. Forgot. Yeah. Oh yeah. doing all this to build my coals, people. Gonna give it a good soak. Be back in a little while. Get that nice and cooked down to some nice coals, and I'll throw my chicken on there. All right, folks, here we go. I got my chickens. Now I'm going to prep. I'm going to take this one beer can, this 32 ounce, I believe it is, because we don't sell 40s here in Pensacola, or at least in Florida. We got some rosters. It's good to get a 32 ounce can, open it up, and all you're going to really do is take that chicken and try to get it sitting on there just like that. You want to get on there nice and sturdy though. Just like that. As you can see, this chicken's a little smaller, so hopefully I can get that butt end over there. The ideal is to get these to sit snug without knocking shit over. There, perfect. This one's a little kind of awkward. There. And you want to look down, you can see the beer is still open. You want to get it nice and even though. Oh shit. There we go. If it turns over, whatever. But there you go, folks. That's how you set up your chicken, and more of it when it's on the grill. Yeah, more back in a minute. All right, folks, I got the chicken on the grill. Some of you ask, well, how's it not going to fall over? Because what I did, I put skewers in it and I push it down like so. Well, I could not find where the beer can meets. There we go, all the way through, and it goes all the way to the bottom side of the grill, so it's not going to go over. So there we go. They are skewered in and ready to go. All right, folks, more on the finished progress later. It's been about half an hour. Look at that. Get a good, nice, oh, look at that. Look at there. Oh, yeah, nice and getting plump. We're going to see if we can't rotate this somehow. Pull the pin up. Shish kebab stick, basically. Push it down. Give her a good spin. Hang her back. Push it back down. And that one should be good to go. And we're going to do the second one just like that. Turn it at 180. Alright, folks, got both of them rotated from left to right. Spun around so I can cook the other side of the chicken. And I'll rotate it again in about another half an hour. But yeah, she's looking good. Oh, look at that. because they're probably gonna fall off. All right, folks, I don't know if I've ever explained what I do in my videos, but in the bottom of this grill, there's 2 baking pans, basically. So sometimes what I do, it's gonna steam up for a second, I fill those bottom pans up with water like so. Just enough so it don't go in the bottom of my grill. And what that does in theory, and usually works for me, is it keeps the moisture in the food. So that water evaporates and it goes up towards steam. And it doesn't really dry the food out from my perspective. Some may contradict that and say, yes it does, but not for me on my smoker, because I'm cooking those at about 350 degrees, 300 degrees, because it wasn't intended to be a smoker. But all right, folks, I probably won't make no more video between now and then. I'll do one with the finished product. Thanks again, and yeehaw! All right, folks, these chickens have been going for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. I think it was roughly 15-20 minutes per pound, and this is about 10 pounds, so I'm going to say 3 hours. Just guesstimating, so give it up. Let's see how they look. Look at that shit right there. Look, this is why I covered it up. See that caramelization? Look at that. I don't think you can get, look at that leg about ready to fall off. Oh yeah, she's looking good. Oh yeah. Well, anyways, peeps, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go get a thermometer and just check the meat, but I'm pretty sure it's done. I will have the last video of this when it comes off the grill and it's taste tested. Thanks for watching. Good, but I can. I say she's almost done. I'm gonna give it another half hour. Another way to tell if the juices, like right there, are dripping any discoloration, then you know it's still got a little ways to go. But I think we're good on that one. Let's put all this back down. Come back to it in a minute. It went back down. We're gonna stick this back over here into the breast area and get it nice in there. And try to see where she goes. I'm going to give them another half hour. Yep, because I'm not quite liking that temp. But it may be done, who knows. And I try to stick it as closest to the bone I can, something around the thigh or... But, yeehaw. Look at those succulent chickens. Took the foil off. Now I'm going to let them crisp up a little bit. Oh yeah. Fucking yummy. I'm talking about fucking yummy.
They got a can coming out?
Alright, he's eating this shit.
This shit's good.
This is the final. This shit's good.
This shit's awesome.
This shit.